I've done try-on sa clothes, sa shoes, sa accessories, pero I haven't done try-on sa contact lenses. So I have Spot contact lens, yung contact lens ni Lurge. Congratulations, Ate Ko. And we will be doing a few try-ons. Siguro I'll do 2 shades muna today. The ones I have are graded, kaya medyo marami siya tignan kasi doble-doble. So I'm not sure if pag na-launch to, when you're gonna buy, if you have different eye grades, you have to buy 2 different boxes. I don't know. We'll see, pero yeah. I also have very dry eyes, so sana this works on my eye kasi very picky din to. Kasi minsan, maganda siya when I first put it on, then give it an hour, para na akong pulang-pula na siya. Let's try one in my comfort zone. This is Mood on Mute, Mood Beige, and then something different, parang pinkish to. Pero this is Rosefield on Field on Notes. Binabasa ko siya. It says 3 months. Girl, 3 months is not bad at all. Kasi I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm a Olens girl. And that is only 1 month. And parang 600 plus siya. So, if this comes like at a reasonable price, 3 months siya, I'm gonna be a happy girl. Now, let's put on contacts. Sana hindi ako maluha kasi sayang yung makeup ko. Let's do 1 brown, 1 pink, and then magde-decide tayo together. Wish me luck. Oh, ang dali. Alam niyo, I'm not a girly who likes ring sa contact lens niya. But this one, hindi rin siya mukhang pink na pink. Grayish purple. Hindi Barney purple. And hindi super OA din yung ring niya. Nagmumukhang super laki yung mata ko. I like how parang, medyo naluluha. Glossy eye look siya. Cheers. Okay, so this is a Mood Beige, this is Rosefield. So ang difference nila when it's Mood and ang difference when it's Field Notes and Mood on Mute is Mood on Mute has a darker ring. Mas pansinin mo yung, you can see the ring, the black ring, compared to Field Notes, which is like, there's still a ring, but it's not as dark. For me, I prefer this one than this one. Pero they all, hindi naman all, dalawa pala yung sukat ko, pero they both look pretty nice. Siguro ito, mas bagay on darker looks. For more natural looks, I like her. Surprisingly, kasi medyo purplish siya, parang for me, when I think, I'm gonna wear pink contact lenses, hindi siya natural. Tignan. And mukha akong naluluha-luha lang. Pero hindi ako naluluha. And this is her with both on. I like her Lurge, Miss Ma'am. You ate with this one. Manipis yung lenses niya. Manipis pa kay Lurge. So, ganun siya nipis. Galing. Miss Ma'am, you ate.